For some security models, it is often desirable to change your private keys, and on the Algorand blockchain, that is possible. If you have an account and want to change the signing process to a new or different type of account, Rekeying will facilitate this. Rekeying allows a user to decouple the private key and the public key and assign another authorized address to approve transactions. For example, you may want to change who signs a transaction from an individual account to a multi-sig account to accommodate management by a board of directors or another group. Similarly, one could rekey from a standalone account to a logic sig account to facilitate logic for the transaction. So we're going to take a look now at doing a rekey using the Python SDK. So in this rekey example, we're going to use 3 accounts. The first part will rekey account 3 and allow it to sign from account 1. In the second part, we're going to send from account 3 to account 2, but sign it from account 1. So we're going to use these mnemonics. Once again, a reminder, never use mnemonics in production code. This is for demo purposes only. And we'll have 3 accounts created. So let's go ahead and run this. So the first thing we're going to do is instantiate our client. And then we're going to go ahead and populate these 3 accounts. You can rekey an account with any transaction that supports the rekey property. In this example, we use a simple payment transaction that sends 0 algos. So there you can see the rekey account is going to be account 1. And then we have our sender and receiver account being the same account. I'm going to demonstrate using the rekeyed account by doing another payment transaction that will need to be signed by the new private key from account 1. So here you see the parameters are going from account 3, and there's the account 1 that we are going to do the signing from. And now you can see we're using the account 1 phrase. So what we see down below is we started out with a balance of close to 5 algos. And then we have the transaction signed by the rekey account. And there you can see the accounts that are listed there. The rekey account is the one that begins with JEE. That's the one for account 1 that you see right there. And then we're going to go ahead and send 0.1 algos or 100,000 micro algos over to account 2. So there you have it. It's all signed by the rekeyed account. Rekeying facilitates a signer other than the original private key. What rekeying does basically is it separates the private from the public key and assigns the signer. And the example we looked at was the SDK example using Python. All the SDKs support rekeying. Associated materials are available using the QR code. And you'll see the links to the code that we just showed you, as well as the deck and the related documentation. If you haven't joined our Discord server, please do.